Okay.
Hi, guys!
Good-
So, good morning.
Good morning, good afternoon.
I mean, good afternoon.
Okay, good afternoon.
And we're gonna do a challenge of what's inside Mommy's
Makeup bag.
makeup bag.
So here's my makeup bag.
And also, we're gonna get the things that we got and put it. We're gonna try the makeup.
After. Okay, so lahat na ito guys, bigay ito ng kapatid ko sa Amerika. Okay, yan. May mga bags dito. Shout out pala sa kapatid ko na si Betty Skelly. Hi there, sis. And to my sister Malu Martin. Hello, sis.
That's
Okay. There's our doggy. Okay.
So,
Our dog. Si Cutie. Okay.
Here, come, kitty.
Okay. So, umpisahan na natin, guys. No? Bigay to lahat ng mga kapatid ko nga nasa
Kitty,
Amerika.
you go there, okay?
Okay. Labas mo na, Cutie. Labas. Labas. Dali.
Stay there, okay?
Okay. Shh.
Stay there!
Palabasin
I
mo
got
muna, anak.
Okay, let me just
Okay, labas mo muna. Shh. Sige, dali. Shi.
Behave!
Okay. So, umpisahan natin.
Alright, I'm back.
Hindi ko na nilagay ito dito kasi hindi na kasya.
Oy,
Sobrang dami na ang binigay nila na mga pampa-beauty. Pero, hindi ko ginagamit. Pero ngayon, promise, gagamitin ko na siya. Okay, may ano ako doon, may isang video na nag-try ako mag-makeup. Okay? Okay. So, unahin natin dito yung sa bag. Okay, she. Tananan! Ayan, oh, ang laki. Okay. Malaki siya masyado, guys. Okay, bigay
Don't get
yan.
close. I'm sorry.
Bigay yan ng kapatid ko.
Don't get close.
Oh, parang si Betty, o hindi ko na maalala. Si Betty or Marilo ang nagbigay nito.
I don't know.
So, may ano siya. Pwede kasi siya ibitay. Oh, marami siya.
So we're gonna close our eyes, right? And then we're gonna pick whatever is inside of them.
Okay, so, let's start from packet number 1. Ito yung packet number 1. Ano kaya ito? Yung iba, guys, hindi ko pa ginagamit talaga. Kasi hindi ako marunong magamit. Tapos, isa pa, tamad ako mag-makeup. Okay. So, una nating bubunutin yung nasa unang packet. Okay.
I want to go first.
Sige, siya ang una.
What is this weird thing?
Okay, what is this? Mary Kay at Play. Lip crayon.
Now give me it.
Okay. Sige, lip crayon, guys. Ayan, oh.
Yan, box na to.
Okay, lip crayon. I'm not sure kung ano, lip, sa, ano siguro sa lips ilalagay.
And it looks like a crayon.
Dito na.
Right here, guys.
Baby, ako, mami. Okay. Ayan. Oh. Lip crayon. Okay.
And then, we're gonna try this out. This
Yeah,
first.
you try, she.
Maybe at the lips.
Oo,
And
yes.
then, going on a little bit.
Yeah, kasi lip crayon.
Only that much. I don't want too much lipstick.
Okay.
Or is that a lip crayon?
Oh, lip crayon.
So we're gonna put it aside here so we don't get it again.
Okay.
Your
Next.
turn.
Okay, it's my turn.
Who's your
Okay.
something?
Okay, this is Mary Kay product. Okay.
Ouch.
Botanical Effects mask. Mask siya, guys.
So,
Hindi ko pa siya nagamit talaga, promise. Mask.
Mommy, only put a little bit on your face because if you put it in the whole face, you
Mask, sa
will...
face lang to.
Yes.
Okay.
You need to try it though.
Oh, wag lang.
Come on.
Wag na i-try.
Come
Basta
on,
mask
turn the
siya, guys.
radio on.
Okay,
Try it.
next to mask. Sa first pa lang ano kami, first, packet.
This.
Okay, parang lip crayon again.
Yep, it's lip crayon. I think this is just a double for mommies. Maybe it's one from Tita and one from other Tita.
Okay. Another one is lip crayon again. Pero iba-iba ang kulay niya. Okay.
What is this?
Purple. Oh, dito oh. Lip crayon purple punch. Ito, crayon pour, ano yun, wala mang ano.
It's right inside.
Wala na, hindi ko maintindihan. Sige.
Yes.
Ano ito, lip crayon pa rin?
No, it's eye crayon. You put it
Huh?
in your eye.
Ay, oh, ay, crayon.
Let's put it back in here.
Oh, crayon. So, another, ano ito?
It is a foundation, a primer sunscreen. It's also sunscreen.
Okay, it foundation. Next, madaming maliliit ito, guys. Hindi ko alam. Ano to?
Close your eyes. It's my turn.
Replenishing serum. Replenishing serum. Hindi ko alam kung saan yan.
What is this?
What is that na?
It is microdermabrasion. It's step 1, refine.
Ano sa? Microdermabrasion.
And this is a second one.
Okay. Oh, mga maliliit, guys, oh.
So I picked
Itanong ko pa sa kapatid ko kung ano to, paano to gamitin. Ayan.
I picked 3.
Okay.
And this one
Okay.
is a small one, smaller than the others. Oh, there's actually 2 small ones. The big one is a replenishing serum. I think you've already this one.
Oo.
Yeah,
Another.
I think these are same too, because it's microdermabrasion and then microdermabrasion, and then this replenish the same.
Okay.
And this the only left, which
The
is lipstick.
Okay.
I don't like dark colors. I can try it out.
Okay, this is a dark color.
Not red.
Not red. Okay. Good for the combination of ano?
Of brown or black.
Or brown or black or something red, ganyan. Okay, balik natin guys sa first ano, 'yun ang laman ng first pocket.
I'm gonna open the second pocket.
Okay, yung second. Sige, siya, ikaw nga na siya.
Pero kung mag-close tag-eyes, dili mo kuha ra diri sa ba.
Kuha lang diretso, sige.
Oh, I think we should get this not makeup.
What's that, siya?
This is a foundation primer sunscreen.
Okay,
It's
another.
same as that one in there, but let's put it there.
So, next.
Okay, guys, look at this. Your turn. Close your eyes, madam.
Like this. Mary Kay
It's
Lash.
Oh, it's waterproof.
Waterproof.
That means if you you already forgot that you need to take a shower and you already put this on, and when you shower, it is waterproof, so it doesn't get smeared all over here.
Grabe akong anak, guys.
So,
Galing mag-English.
Here.
Daig pa si Mami.
So I did my turn.
Okay, it's your turn, baby.
This is weird. Oh, what is this? This has no saying.
No name.
Oh wait, it's a 02 brown. That's all it says.
For my
here.
ano na, kilay. Sa kilay ko yan nilalagay.
Yes, here.
Okay. Okay, next. This is makeup finishing spray.
Oh, so when you're done with makeup, you spray this on so it doesn't get very
Para matagal matanggal yata. Pag spray.
Yeah. So it's very nice. It's a spray bottle here. My turn.
Yeah.
I'm a messy one. So here it is. It's a foundation primer. Why do you have so many of this?
Oo, marami. Okay. Kasi, ano lang siya, guys. dalawa kasi kapatid ko yung nagbibigay, si Malu at saka si Betty.
Ow.
Kaya yun.
Don't push.
Okay, so may brush dito, guys. Ang mahal kaya nitong brush, guys, parang 650 pesos yata yung isa. Mahal, sobrang mahal.
Might.
Can't afford ako sa Mary Kay. Pero bigay lang to. Yeah,
So this is
Maybelline product. Hindi yan Mary Kay.
oh,
Ako ang bumili niyan.
so mommy, I haven't even figured out how to, but it says here, like here, it keeps pinging it and it doesn't work, and I can only open this thing. So tell me how it works. So here it, guys. Tell me how it works.
Panggamit to pang highlight.
No, like how do we open this? There's a
Yan,
little
ganyan lang.
gel.
Oh, yan. And then, you put it here.
What?
Pang highlighter.
I pressed it, and then this only comes out. How about this?
Wala
Jelly
na,
thingy.
Hindi ko alam. Sige, next. Next, guys.
Wait, let me just a second. Okay, so it's Mint Bliss Energizing. Oh, it's lotion.
Lotion for feet and legs. Ah, okay. May mga lotion pala, guys, na
So,
para lang sa feet at saka leg. O, ayan.
My turn. Okay. This one is. It is also a Mary Kay product right here.
Yes.
It's Time Wise.
Time-wise.
Time Wise. It's Luminous 3D Foundation.
Yeah.
So here, guys, just up close. Here is a foundation. Your turn.
Okay, another. So, it is
A mascara.
Lash Intensity Mascara. Maganda to, guys, kasi kakapal yung pilik mata mo pag gagamitin mo yan.
It's also a Mary Kay product. As
Yeah.
you cannot see here.
Mm-mm.
Here, it's a Mary Kay. And also, guys, this is not waterproof like this
This one.
one. It says here, it's Lush Love Waterproof Mascara. This is a normal mascara, and this is a waterproof mascara. So, it's very different. They're both Mary Kay. It's very different because if you wear this and you don't have this, then all your mascara will scatter around your face like this. And then if you wear this, it will not scatter around.
Okay. Next, ano to, guys? Lipstick. Okay? Lipstick, iba-iba ang kulay.
Here, it has, maybe it's very unique because this is look like a sign of rich.
Okay.
And we have a red lipstick. That's what you're wearing.
Yeah. This is the one.
Here, guys.
Mm-mm.
And it's from Mary Kay. So most of the products we're showing you guys is Mary Kay.
Yeah.
Because, I don't know, because Tita probably loves to go shopping, buys Mary Kay.
They are parang business nila sa Amerika. Sila ng Mary Kay.
And this is the last part. I think if you...
Ano pa isa?
Oh, yeah. Here, it is a concealer.
Mm-mm.
Right here, guys. And it's also from Mary Kay, as you can see up there. And this
Brush.
brush, you can use here to put it in here.
Sa
Because
kilay.
you can't just... and it will splatter all around your
Okay.
face. Let's put this all back in.
Sa
Ow, my
second.
hip! You're breaking it.
Okay. Balik natin sa second pocket.
I'm gonna open the third pocket. Oh, it's already open.
Okay. Ayan. Yes. Okay,
Chit-chat.
guys. Sa third pocket na tayo.
I'm gonna be first.
Yeah.
I got an egg.
An egg.
It's not an egg. So we actually sell this very a long time ago, but no one seemed to even
Bye.
buy one. We only use it like Tita Langging, and then like my other titas, they only use it. So no one actually buy this, so that's why we didn't sell it anymore. So we have two right here. There's also there's color like white, this, and I think one more color, but I can't remember it. I think it was light pink or hot pink. I do not know. So let's open here. So even what kind of color the outside, it's always this. It's just stuck here. It's okay. It's always this, this white, always white color.
Lip, parang lip gloss.
Yes, it's always white.
Lip gloss?
This one is perfectly clean, not like the other one. This one, it smells gross. That's why I smell it. That's why. And this is perfectly like a lip
Di
gloss.
pa yan nagamit siguro.
Yeah, because we don't use it much because it smells. Neither do I. Like, oh, I wonder. Oh, this is a pretty good one. And then when I smell it, it's like, sorry guys, it was just like, that was my reaction.
Okay, next guys. Hand softener.
It's satin hands. And it's fragrance free.
Hand softener.
So,
Mary
right
Kay
here,
product.
guys, it's also a Mary Kay, as you can see here. Oh, it's right here. It's always backwards. So if you just like in real life, it's actually Mary Kay. So here it is, guys. Up very, very close.
Okay, next.
My turn.
Okay.
Don't dare touch my turn.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So here's a lipstick.
Oh, another
This
lipstick.
is not like the other lipstick because look, you can't pull it
You
apart.
push it.
Yes, I know.
Okay.
So you actually up above here, like other lipsticks, it also has hole here, so you can see what it is.
Press down.
Yes, but those lipsticks are just cardboard, and with the same color as the lipstick, you think that is the color of the lipstick, since it's the same color with the lipstick. So that means that's really not it. But this has no cardboard color, just with the same lipstick color with the lipstick. So all you have to do here, I'm just get it up close here, is just push. So I'm gonna do it here. Just here, push, and then something goes out, and then you have your nice red lipstick. It's only done because mommy used it very much because it's red and
My
glossy.
favorite color is red,
My favorite color is red too, but I don't like red blood.
Lipstick lang, hindi blood. Okay, next is, ano to?
Oh, that's my lip gloss. Or is
Ay,
it?
lip
Or
gloss.
is
Mary
this
Kay.
These are my lip gloss. These are Mary Kay ones. Here is up close. Right here. And this is the other color. Right here. It's like the same of my the EOS. But it smells a bit nicer, but I don't like the smell of lipstick though.
Okay, next. Another lipstick.
Here is a lip shot.
Lip shiner.
Oh, it's a lip shiner. So if you this is a lip shiner. So if you put it on your lips, it will shine. Kind of, it have glitter in it. Yeah. Like here, so I'm gonna do it to you guys up very close. Wait.
Same with that other lipstick. Sige, sige.
Whatever. But so this one actually doesn't have the cardboard as well. It's clear and it can open like this. So it's the same color as the second pocket. So yeah. So I'm actually gonna be rating.
So the last one, you get the last one.
So, the last one, I'm actually gonna be unboxing it because it's a. Woo!
It's not Mary Kay product.
It's a Victoria's
Secret. It's a perfume.
So, let's open it.
Ayan, do not open.
Um.
Ayan.
I'm gonna put everything back.
Victoria's
here.
Secret. Okay. So, the last packet na tayo, guys.
Oof! Back here, you eos! Is there anything on here? Look,
Okay.
I'm gonna be the opening the last one, guys.
Okay. Last packet na tayo.
So, since I don't want to go first, mommy can go first.
Okay. This is now the mineral powder foundation.
So, I'm gonna open it.
Okay.
It fell. So, guys, my mommy also used this a lot because it's very soft right here. So that's why it's almost over. Oof. Don't make me sneeze. Powder. So we're gonna put it here. It's my turn.
Yeah.
So guys, this looks like a lipstick, right? But it's actually not. You can open it here. It's a brush, and this can just go back like in that. So you have to right here put everything
Yeah.
down, and then ta-da.
Ayan.
So
Next is another
what is this?
mascara. Mascara na po.
Yeah, but it's not like the same one. It was like shapy, like.
Mm-mm.
So this one is actually it's also Lush Love. That's just like the waterproof one, but it's not waterproof. Here it is, guys, up close. So like more like everything here is most Mary Kay.
Yeah.
So here I'm gonna open it for you. It's very like glossy. Oh, wow. You can do the lip shiner with the mascara because it's the same color. Your turn.
Next is foundation.
Here is foundation.
Mm-mm.
It's a medium coverage foundation actually. So here it is. I'm actually going to show you the color. So here of the foundation
Mga hulog. Ay,
is,
sayang. Mahal pa naman ito.
is a
Medium.
peachy,
Medium nga covered foundation. It's a medium.
peachy orange.
Next, guys, another.
Oh, it's my turn.
Okay.
Well, I guess I'm going to choose my own. So, guys, I'm actually not going to close my eyes because since I love pink, I'm going to choose this one. So, it's also Mary Kay. It's another Time Wise, but it's not the same as the other Time Wise. Because this one is a bit longer than it and skinnier.
Mm-mm.
So, it's a age minimized 3D. It's eye cream.
Ay, okay.
Here, guys, eye cream.
Okay.
Your turn.
So, foundation to lahat na. So, I have a lot of foundation given by my two sisters. From America with Love. A lot of foundation.
Here
And the last
is-
one, guys, is
This is
it's a
liquid
brush.
foundation. Let's see, this is also liquid.
liquid.
And the last
the
liquid
brush.
foundation. Alright, guys, so we're done with our like vlog here. So please subscribe to my channel, Shred the Hyper, and also comment
Like,
and
share.
yeah, and also
Don't forget
click
to
the bell button. Ding! Ding! Done. Bye,
Bye, guys.